Hello guys, Starrwyn here, Barefoot Mum, and today's tutorial is going to be showing you how you can add a watermark to an image using PicMonkey. Now PicMonkey is another tool that I love. This one is a paid version, so it's about $100 a year, and it's a really great tool to use as well. I use it a lot. And it's well worth the price. So it's PicMonkey, P-I-C-M-O-N-K-E-Y, PicMonkey.com. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how to use it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to PicMonkey.com, and then it's going to open up this page where you can then either decide to edit a picture, touch up an image, design your own image. I've got templates, or you can have a blank canvas to design your own, or you can even create a collage. So for the purpose of this video, I'm wanting to add a watermark to one of my images. So I'm going to edit and I'm going to call it up from my computer. With PicMonkey, you also have a hub where you can, if you've created, say, a graphic and you want to be able to come back to it and change it at a later stage, you can save it to the hub, and then that allows you to actually change the image up a bit. So, but for today, we're going to just be editing a picture from my computer. So I'd click computer, and then I can just choose an image here. So I'm just going to double click that one of my boy kite surfing. And so, perhaps you want to use a graphic on social media, and you want your logo to be there on the image, or some wording, perhaps your website address, whatever it is that you want. I'm going to show you how you can do that using PicMonkey. So basically, if you already have your logo that is stored on your computer, what you can do is you go down to the left here and click this little butterfly, and it's going to open up a whole lot of different options for you, but you can also add your own. So once you click this button, it's going to say, well, add it from your computer or from the hub. So if your logo is stored on a file on computer, just hit my computer and then go to the file where your logo is. You can bring it up and it will immediately bring it up onto your image, and you can just resize it. If, for instance, you don't have a logo and you want to just type in your name or your website, I'm going to show you how you do that. So we go to the text box here on the left, the little T's, and then what we're going to do is select the text that we want to use. So first of all, we'll click Add Text, which will open up a text box on our image, and then we can just make a choice, whatever fonts we decide that we like to use. You are able to actually upload your own fonts as well to PicMonkey, but for the purpose of this video, let's just use this one here. You can go across to this box over here as well, and then select what color you want your text to be. I'm going to choose pink, and then you click the text box and you can type in whatever it is that you want to type in. Perhaps it's your website address, maybe you just want your name. It's up to you, and then resize the box and then position it where you want it to be. If you'd like the font to be bigger, you can either change the size down here. Okay, if it gets too big, you just got to bring out the text box that all fits in nicely. Or you can just use the arrows and just size it however you want it. Okay, so let's just say we're going to have it like that. I want it up here. Now, you don't want it big and bright, so what we can do is we can create like a watermark, which means we just fade it out a bit. So you can use this button over here to fade it, and you can just as intense or as less intense as you like. So there is my little Starrwyn, my name, or if we want to make Starrwyn .biz or .com, or whatever it is, that's your website address maybe you want on there. And there it is. And then once that is done and you're happy with it, you just click export. And then I always just choose, you got Roger, Pierce, or Sean. It's for the resolution. I choose Sean because it's the best resolution, it's the highest resolution. And yeah, you just export it to your computer and it saves to your computer, and then you can use your graphic wherever you like. So that is how you create a watermark using PicMonkey. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you, and get creating, guys, and let me know how it goes. Anyway, hope you have an amazing day wherever you are in the world, and remember to always do life differently. I'll see you soon. Cheers!